ladies and gentlemen, the brand director for Chevrolet for Canada, Laura Pacey.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today we have the pleasure of introducing two very important vehicles making their debut here in Canada. Over the past 3 years, Chevrolet has transformed its showroom, introducing some of the most innovative, technologically advanced vehicles in the industry. From seamless connectivity to advanced safety technologies and fuel efficiency options from hybrids and diesels to all electric, Chevrolet's portfolio of cars, crossovers, SUVs, and pickups is as broad and diverse as our country. And our sales performance is a testament to this. Chevrolet just delivered our 3rd year in a row of share growth in Canada. In fact, we closed out 2017 up 13.6% and gained 0.55 points of market share. And this growth contributed to GM Canada taking the #1 spot in retail sales. And with GM's vision of a world of zero crashes, zero congestion, and zero emissions, we are truly proud of Chevrolet's EV success in Canada. Chevrolet continues to be the number one retailer of plug-in electric vehicles with the customer favorite Volt and the Bolt EV, which you can see right over here to my right. In fact, Chevrolet has sold twice as many EVs than its closest competitor in 2017. Yes, I know that might surprise you, twice as many. And speaking of zero congestion, just 2 days ago, GM launched Maven car sharing right here in Toronto, giving Torontonians access to Chevrolet vehicles all in the palm of their hand when and how they need them. And today you will see that Chevrolet's momentum continues. We are not taking our foot off the throttle. So ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure of presenting to you, for the first time in Canada, the fastest, most powerful Chevrolet ever. The Corvette ZR1's exclusive LT5 supercharged engine produces 755 horsepower and 715 pound-feet of torque, delivering an incredible 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, and a top speed of 337 kilometers per hour. The ZR1 establishes a new global benchmark in performance, period. If there is one thing we know about our Chevrolet Corvette customers is that they are very passionate about their Corvettes, and this car will not disappoint.